Today we are going to show how you can design a single blog page for your WordPress site. We are going to use the 2023 theme for customization. Now, go to your blog page and click on the Edit Site button. It will take you to the design page. Delete all the blocks like I did. First, we will add the primary menu block from the block section and add it to the top of the page. Next, we will add the featured image block. We will do customization later. Then we will use the title block to show the title of the block. Next, we will take column block and add 2 columns. We are going to choose author and date block. We are going to show the main blog content. So we are going to use the content block and add it to the customization. This will create a single blog page template. Now we will do some customization and tweaking of the blocks. And there you have it, a simple, ready-to-use blog page.